How to integrate AI in Photoshop. Hi guys, in this video, I'll tell you how you can integrate AI in Photoshop. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you the new AI tool that Photoshop has introduced within its application, and it's called Generative Fill. So over here, as you can see, Generative Fill, all you got to do is just simply type it in the box, and then you have Generative Expand, Photoshop on web, Improved Remove tool, Improved Contextual Taskbar as well, and it got a lot of cool stuff. So they already have it in their application, and now we don't have to go ahead and implement any AI because it's already implemented, and now we just got to use it. We just got to click on try now to try it out. So let's get started. So over here, it's basically asking us to type the prompt that we want, right? So it already selected the house over here. We already did that. Now we just have to type in the prompt. So it can be anything. You can add like a watchtower or change it to a different color, anything. So let's go ahead and type. So we want to turn the house into a black mansion. So we just simply click on generate and give it a couple of seconds. But something is not working properly. I think it's because of my account that it's not recognizing that I've bought it. And that's why it's not generating anything. It says right here to I don't have it, but I have it. So, but you get the idea. You just simply select the subject and add it right here. And you also have to make sure that you have the Firefly as well. So this is the application that they have it right here, Generative Fill in Photoshop. So Firefly is the application or the AI tool that you use. So you got to make sure that you have it right here. So as you can see, you got to buy it again. So I already have Photoshop. I just need to pick the Firefly, but I don't think it's letting me do that. But yeah, that is it. After that, you are good to go. You also have text to image as well. So you can choose whichever one you want. But yes, that is it. That it's already implemented into your Photoshop. You don't really need to go ahead and add other AI stuff to it. You just have to add the application and just add in the generative film. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.